Welcome to another wonderful video from Tutorials in Hand. In this video, we are going to learn how we can make linear gradient loader screens in Figma. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, if you have seen a linear gradient, so there is a bar behind, a standard white or black colored bar, and there is a fill which starts from 0%, and once the loader is done, it gets filled up to the 100%. So that is what we are going to make today. So let's see how we do it. First of all, we will click on the shapes and click on rectangle. We will draw a rectangle like this. Now we want a circular border. So we have set the border as 50. Now we will copy and paste and create another one. But here there is some catch. This will be a bit shorter and a bit less wide than the previous one. So from 734 I am making it as 730, and from 24 I am making it as 20. And I have to change a color for this. So for the color part I am choosing a bright color, this one. So let's see. And now we have to place the second bar on the first one. So let's see if we can do it. So looks pretty good, but the width needs to be reduced further, 728. Even if better if we reduce the height as well. So 18 and 725. Yep, this looks good, promising to me. So yep, as you can see, the fill is perfect. Now what we have to do, we have to select the entire bar, right click on it, click on this frame selection. So this will create a frame out of this. So we have selected a frame, and now we will have to just copy and paste the frame one below the other. So we are done, and now we have to put this loading animation. So first of all, it will be around 0, then it will be around the 50% width, and then it will be 100%. Okay, now again we will select all this, go to the top, create multiple components, and then combine as variant. So as in the previous video I have already said multiple times, this actually creates a component out of different frames and set its different types as its variants. So we have done the similar thing. So if you are not clear about this concept, you can watch this video and even the previous videos. We have discussed the exact same thing. So now we'll click on it. Oops, my bad. Yeah. From the first, we'll go to the second video. It will take place after a delay of 200 milliseconds. The animation will be of smart animate slow and of 200 milliseconds. So similarly, from the second one, we'll go to the third one. And after delay of 200 milliseconds, smart animate slow 2000 milliseconds. Yep. But here, unlike the previous one, we will not go back from the last one to the first one, because in general, once the loading is filled, some action needs to happen, like a screen needs to be loaded, a payment has to be done, or a user event has to be triggered. So that is why it will not be an infinite loop, it will be a unidirectional loader. So yes, we are done. Now we have to emulate that, and as you know already, so for this emulation purpose I will use MacBook 14-inch screen. So assets, MacBook 14, yep, we got it. Now we have to set the background color. As you know, like I prefer a bit deeper color. So yes, this is looking promising, and yeah, this is good to go. And now we'll bring our loader from the local assets. So we have our component also over here. So I don't think it's in the center, so let me do it from this. Yes, done. Now let's see our animation. It's loading as of now. So I believe this should work if we have not made some silly mistakes. So let's see. See, our loader is working. And yeah, pretty good. So this is what we have done. If you like the video, feel free to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, whosoever this video might help. And if you have any kind of queries or some doubts, feel free to post them in the comment section. I'm going to answer them. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.